in minutes. I used Mureka to turn one messy song idea into
Still I'm standing in the rain today.
Shadows stretching on the ground. Echoes of the
Before the timer ends, I'm giving all I have again. That sounds way more like a real song than I expected. But here's the problem. I have never professionally produced a song in my life. People spend weeks, months, sometimes even years making music. Today, I'm giving myself one ridiculous challenge. Make a complete, listenable song before this timer hits 0. Not just a random beat, not a voice memo, a real song. Lyrics, vocals, melody, production, structure, everything. And if it's terrible, I still have to play it at the end of this video. So either I'm about to accidentally create something amazing with Mureka, or completely embarrass myself on the internet. Let's find out. Here's the problem. Making music is not one skill. It's like 5 different skills stacked on top of each other, wearing a trench coat. You need lyrics that don't sound like they were written in a panic. You need a melody people can actually remember. You need production that sounds clean and exciting. And then somehow, you need vocals that make the whole thing feel real. I am not a singer. I am not a producer. I am barely confident clapping on beat. But I wanted to know, if a complete beginner sat down today and used an AI music tool like Mureka, could they actually make a full song that sounds finished? The rules are simple. The song needs lyrics, vocals, a clear structure, a catchy hook, production that sounds like something you could actually listen to. And most importantly, it has to be finished before the timer runs out. The timer starts now. I figured the easiest place to start was lyrics. Because how hard can writing lyrics be? Turns out, very hard, when your brain suddenly forgets every word it has ever known. My first line was, "I'm walking through the night," which is fine, I guess. Then I wrote, "I'm flying like a kite," and immediately realized I was accidentally writing a children's book that got rejected. So lyrics were already going badly. Then I tried melody, and somehow that was worse. Every idea I came up with sounded like either a toothpaste commercial or the loading screen. Music from a cooking game. At one point, I tried humming a melody out loud, listened back to it, and genuinely considered ending the challenge right there. And production? That was the moment I really started to panic. Because making a song is not just having an idea. You need drums, instruments, arrangement, transitions, energy, mixing, and about 900 other things I do not know how to do. I opened a blank music project, looked at all the buttons, and instantly understood why. Producers always look tired. At this point, the timer was still going down, my confidence was disappearing, and my song was. Basically, just a few questionable lyrics and emotional damage. So I realized something very important. If I tried to build this entire thing manually from scratch, this video was going to become a documentary about failure. I needed help. That's where Mureka came in. Mureka is a text-to-song platform where you can describe the kind of track you want, add lyrics, choose a style, and generate vocals without needing to be a professional producer. And honestly, at this point, that sounded exactly like what I needed. I wasn't trying to make the greatest song of all time. I just needed to turn my messy idea into something complete before the timer hit 0. So I started with easy mode, because right now, my music skill level was also very much easy. The idea I typed into Mureka was simple, an energetic pop song about trying to finish something before time runs out. Then I started writing lyrics around that idea. For the verse, I wanted it to feel tense, like the clock is closing in. So I wrote, "Clock is burning on the wall. I hear it counting every fall. Tried to run. I lost my way. Still, I'm standing in the rain. Not perfect, but honestly, better than flying like a kite." Then I hit create. And this was the first moment where I thought, okay, maybe we're getting somewhere. The first version sounded surprisingly complete.
Clock is burning on the wall. I hear it counting every fall. to run, I lost my way. Still I'm standing in the rain.
There was structure, there was energy, there were vocals. It actually sounded like a song, but it had one problem. The chorus felt like it was sprinting away from the rest of the track. The idea was there, but it didn't fully land yet. So I tried again. But this time, I got more specific. The vocals felt more confident. The chorus had more impact. And for the first time during this challenge, I caught myself believing. I was sitting there with headphones on, nodding like I had any idea what I was doing. But the song still didn't fully feel like mine. So I moved into custom mode because I wanted more control. I refined some of the lyrics, changed a few awkward lines, and added a bridge. That bridge gave the song a little more emotion. It made it feel less like a random pop track and more like it actually connected to the challenge. I tested a few different vocal directions. One version was way too dramatic. It sounded like the singer had just found out their flight got delayed. Another version was too soft, and the chorus didn't hit hard enough. But then I found one that had the right balance. Emotional, but still confident. Clear, but not too polished. And when I heard that version with the chorus, I actually had to pause for a second, because it was way better than I expected. At this point, the timer was almost done, so I had time for one final remix. I asked Mureka to keep the vocal feel, make the chorus bigger, clean up the transition into the hook, keep the final version energetic and emotional. One final version, one final chance. And somehow, right before the timer ran out, the track finished. The song was done. And now I have to actually listen to the final version. If this is bad, please remember I had very little time and absolutely no professional music. Production experience. Moment of truth. Here is the final song.
Clock is burning on the wall. I hear it counting every fall. Try to run and lost my way. Still I'm standing in the rain today.
Shadows stretching on the ground. Echoes of a hollow sound. Memories begin to fade. Trapped inside this masquerade.
The storm is breaking through the gray. No more words left here to say.
Time is slipping through my hands like a shifting desert sands. I will face the wind and call, even as the night grows.
The vocal is clearer than I thought it would be. The build into the chorus actually feels intentional, and the hook is kind of stuck in my head, which is either a good sign or a serious problem. Here's what worked. The song has a real structure. It doesn't just loop forever. The chorus feels bigger than the verse, which is exactly what I wanted. And the vocals make it feel like an actual track, instead of me whispering into my laptop at midnight. But here's what I would improve. Some of the lyrics are still a little generic. I would probably spend more time making the bridge stronger. And if I were actually releasing this, I'd do more passes to make the whole thing feel more personal. But considering this started as a blank document and panic, I'm genuinely surprised. So, can a complete beginner make a listenable song in a short amount of time? After this challenge, I think the answer is yes, with one important catch. Mureka helped me get from a blank page to a finished track way faster than I expected. But your taste still matters. Your idea matters. Your lyrics matter. The choices you make matter. The first version was not the final version. I had to adjust the lyrics, test different prompts, remix the track, compare vocals, and actually listen critically. And one feature I think would be especially useful if you get stuck is the generate lyrics option. Because honestly, lyrics were one of the hardest parts for me at the beginning. I had the idea, but turning that idea into lines that actually worked in a song was not easy. So, if you have a concept but don't know how to start, you can use Mureka to help generate lyrics, then refine them yourself so they still feel personal. There's also the optimize option, which is helpful if your lyrics are almost there but still feel awkward or unfinished. That's actually one of the biggest things I learned during this challenge. AI can help you move faster, but the final song still gets better when you guide it. Where I think Mureka is especially useful is for creators, songwriters, and people who have song ideas but don't know how to produce them from scratch. You could use it to make demos, generate lyrics from a rough idea, optimize lyrics that need polishing, test different genres, create music for content, experiment with hooks, turn a rough concept into something you can actually hear. And for creators, the commercial licensing options are also a big deal. Because if you're making videos, ads, or other projects, you need to know what you can actually use. Would I say this replaces learning music? No. If you want to become a great producer or songwriter, you still need practice, taste, and a lot of bad first drafts. But as a way to quickly turn an idea into a complete song, especially as a beginner, this was way more capable than I expected. If you want to try making your own song, I'll leave Mureka linked below. Start with a simple idea. Use generate lyrics. If you need help getting started, test a couple styles. Remix the versions you like and just see what happens. But now I need your honest opinion. Rate my song from 1 to 10 inches the comments. Be honest, but please remember I had a timer yelling at me. And if you enjoyed the song, subscribe, because I want to do more creator experiments like this.